Okay.
I get to that with my nose. Okay, now you can do your intro.
This is Isaac's. Oh, is it on?
Yeah.
Oh. First swim with the boat, pulling boat across the lake. Came from the house over there. 2 down from the millionaire's house, the big huge one. And
we're about to the other side.
Get to the other side. Now it's time to have a nice finish. Of course, I'm going to pull you back too.
Yeah, I'm not paddling. That's too much work. You have about 15% remaining.
Maybe next time, or sometime, have to get your brother and all his buddies and pull all the canoes and do a 4 boat pull. Actually, we could do a 5.
True that. Because if we got my dad in here, just kidding, he'd be in the longer one.
Load up everybody. That'd be a good workout.
Yeah, it'd be more than just 4 people. If we were to get Zach's buddies, it would be more like 7 or 8. I think next we'll just put a bunch of 50-pound weights on here. And then there you go. You carry an extra pounds. Finish strong so I can get in the water and then get back in. Or at least get to the shore. Yeah, dude, I'm getting sunburnt. Oh, and you gotta put my channel in the description.
I'm cruising, aren't I?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Undedicated guy that's holding the camera.
I can feel it tug. My arms are feeling it.
Man, I could use an energy drink.
The key is your breath. Just keep it good and steady.
Drink some Coca-Cola when you get home. It has caffeine in it. That's what I'm gonna do when I get home. But I don't have to do anything.
Yeah, that's almost better than a motor.
Nah, motor's better.
Yeah, motor's better.
On a motor, you can go 20. I'm gonna be across this lake in about 5 minutes. There's a speeder. There's been about 5 spaders that's clawed off my leg so far.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
I'll take a break once we get up here. Probably turn off the camera because I need to get in the water. I'm getting all sweaty and I'm just sitting here.
Maybe next time you can do this.
Dude, I can barely swim to over the green thing and the yellow thing.
That's not too bad.
It takes practice.
Practice.
It takes lots and lots of life jackets to keep me above water. And that's saying something. I'm not a person that goes outside. I'm a gamer.
Just pretend this is a video game.
Yeah, but if you die, you don't come back to life.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So it's not a video game. So if you drown, you don't come back to life. You go to heaven or hell. It depends what your belief is. Can you stand yet? No? Because that's when I'll turn it off, once you can stand. And I'm hopping in for a minute or two. Do I have my phone in my pocket? No, I do not. Good. Anyways, I'd like my phone to die anyways. Da-da-da-da-da. Can you stand yet? You might want to test it, dude. This place gets shallow. Can you stand?
I'm pushing it up.
Can you stand?
Pushing the envelope.
The envelope, you mean? Up. I can do some of your editing.
I made it.
Cool.
Alright.
I'm gonna turn it off for a second.